Hi friends, hi. How's it going? How are you? I hope that you are all good and well, and today I am unboxing my Ipsy Glam X with you folks, and I hope that you're here for it. For those of you new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Super happy that you found me today. My name is Donna and I am a lover of all things colorful, high-end beauty and self-care. I am your perfect partner in crime because I am over 40 and I'm here to tell you that all those things that they're telling you you shouldn't be doing at your age, you absolutely can do it because I'm out here doing it. This eye look was recorded, so it should come to you in a fast-paced tutorial at some point in time, maybe a voiceover, I'm not sure. I didn't really talk through it. I had some other things, other friends here on the platform I wanted to listen to, so you might get a voiceover, you might get a fast-paced tutorial, you might get something, but if watching me put on this makeup is something that you're interested in, stay tuned for that. I do hope that you'll love it here, and yeah, let's just dig in. So for those of you who are unaware, I did pre-open this box because it comes with a giant sticker on it, but this is Ipsy Glam X. This is the glam bag that costs $55. I cannot remember exactly how much it is, but I do subscribe to the Ipsy regular bag, which is $12 per month. I do subscribe to that annually, and then I also get the Ipsy Plus, which is monthly, $25 a month for full-size products. The other one is sample size to full-size, depending on what you get. And then every quarter, they send out this Glam X, which is in collaboration with a celebrity out there. The first one was Patrick Ta, this one was Khloe Kardashian, and it's filled with products that this person loves, and they charge you an extra, I think it's $30. So if you're interested at all in Ipsy, I do have a referral code basically down in my description box, which just basically gets me points. It's not affiliated. I don't make any money off of it, but I am always here to tell you how I feel about the products that are coming in the boxes, the bags, the whatevers. So let's dig in. I typically will do my Glam Plus and my Glam Bag at the same time. I am not doing that today because this box comes with, I think it's 8 full-size items. I'd like to dig a little bit deeper into this, and this one takes enough time as is. So you guys will see my regular bag also this month at some point, probably soon. I did just get it in the mail today, so I am probably going to record that today as well. And it should be up soon because we're almost done with April. May. This is May. We're almost done with May. And I don't tend to get my bags or my boxes until like approximately this week every single month. This is the 22nd as I'm filming this, so I just got these a couple days ago. So this is my Glam Bag X, and it is in collaboration with Khloe Kardashian, and when you open it up, you just see like the foam to help keep the products all safe, and then all the products are in here. I did add on with the points that I have accumulated in the 3+ years I've been doing this. I do have some that are expiring, so I needed to get some stuff, and I did do that with my points. I did pick up the Violet Voss Wildflower Fun Size Palette, and I also picked up a Stuck On You eye primer from the Beauty Crop. I did get this in a plus not that long ago, and I really actually quite like it as an eye primer, so I did pick up a backup of this just cuz. So there's that. This was, I think, 600 points. This was like 1,200 points, I do believe. And this bad boy looks like this. It's such a cute little package, but the shadows are very warm tone, just pretty shadows. It does have, it looks like 5 mattes and 5 shimmers in it. And it's just a warm tone palette. I'm not quite certain that I will be holding on to this palette or putting it into my giveaway drawer. I'm just not sure. Know that I will be having some giveaways coming soon because my giveaway drawer is kind of, I can't fit much else in there. So I need to start doing some giveaways. Every Glam Bag X does come with like a newspaper of sorts that tells you everything that you're getting in the box. So I am going to keep it out here. We're going to talk about some prices of stuff, and then we're going to get out of here, I guess. So I'm going to start with the item that I already have, and I don't know honestly why they put this into the box because anybody who gets these boxes probably also has a grip ton of a collection, and probably that grip ton of a collection includes this because this was such a raved about, loved palette for so long. This is the ABH Modern Renaissance. Beyond the fact that everybody on the planet probably has this palette, I also collect ABH. ABH is one of my favorite brands, and of course this one lands in there. But what I'm happy to say is I do have a very loving home for this because I was just at my business partner's house a couple weeks ago and was looking through her makeup collection, and she had the oldest most broken down, most ratchety ass modern Renaissance palette in her collection. I made her throw it away. It looked so bad. It looked awful. And she had pan in almost every single one of the pans. So, like, kudos to her for, like, using her makeup, but it looked awful. So I made her throw it away. So I do think that I am going to give this to her and have her have a brand new modern Renaissance palette because it was her everyday palette. So that I will be giving it to her, and that comes in at $45. That's what its full-size price is. That is a full-size palette. I don't know why I just said full-size price. So the next thing I'm going to pull out of here is this. This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I do have a couple of other 111 Skin products, and these guys are expensive. The Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This is Khloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rosewater and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. She loves it because this looks so fab on her bathroom counter. That's such a reason to have a $135 skincare item. So this is what it looks like, and I can see how that would look fab on anybody's bathroom counter. That is beautiful. I also have the 111 Skin Cryo Booster. I have to be honest, I have not even touched it yet. It does sit over there. What I love about the 111 Skin products is they often come in an opaque bottle. We all know that skincare ingredients tend to break down if they're in the sunlight or in the daylight period. So I love that they come in an opaque bottle so that the chance of those parts of the world that break them down getting in and breaking down the ingredients is pretty nil. But I will go ahead and set this next to my cryo booster and hopefully get these into my skincare regimen at some point in time. I do know that 111 Skin is, like I said, $135. That's damn expensive for that little tiny bottle, but I've heard it's amazing. So I'm super excited to try it. The next thing is this, and it's the Herbivore Prism AHA and BHA Exfoliating Glow Facial. This isn't typically something that I go for. I don't like those things that you have to like slather on your face and then wash off. I just find them to be super messy, but holy moly, this is beautiful. Do you guys see this? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty and heavy. This feels like it's legit glass. It is legit glass. This is so pretty. So the Herbivore Botanicals Prism AHA and BHA Exfoliating Glow Facial is $58 for this guy. This at-home treatment is the answer to a pro facial level glow at home. Leave it on for 20 minutes and let the AHAs and BHAs work their smoothing, softening, and skin clearing magic. Why she loves it: after a long day of shooting in glam, this saves her skin from breakouts. I love this. This is gorgeous. And I imagine it looks awfully pretty next to that rose oil from 111 Skin, also on her vanity or her bathroom counter, whatever it is. This is beautiful. The other options for those two things opposed to the 111 Skin was the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream for $100. Which I would have loved just because I've heard really great things about Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, but I'm not paying $100 for it. I've got way too much skincare over there and I get it all free all the time. To spend $100 on a Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer seems ridiculous to me, so I won't purchase it, but I would have loved to have gotten it. But I'm also glad I got what I got. Or the Rodial Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm for $59, which I also would have liked that. Like, I love a good cleansing balm. What's weird about this cleansing balm is it comes in a tube, and I've never actually seen, I don't think, a cleansing balm come in a, like, squeezy tube. The next thing in here is this. This is the Kosas Big Clean Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara. I kind of like this package. It's a metal container, and it's ombre pink to red, which is interesting. Not only does this make lashes look amazing, it's good for them too. A few coats of the cruelty-free formula gives lashes thickness, lift, and length thanks to a blend of wax, vitamins, oils, and peptides. She says, if you're lash obsessed like me, you'll be all about this clump-free formula. That's interesting. This guy comes in at $26. I really don't have a whole lot of Kosas in my collection at all, so I'm interested in trying this. I don't think I have any Kosas in my collection at all, so interested in trying this. But I have to be honest, we're constantly sent mascaras in these boxes and I'm a little over it, honestly. So Kosas mascara, $26. I'll use it, but over it all at the same time. And then we got this. This is the Tower 28 Milky Lip Jelly. This is what the box looks like. Tower 28 is a brand that's been on my list. This is the shade Coconut. Is that a shade or a scent? Ooh, this is pretty. That is really pretty. A really, like, rosy pink, which isn't typically my shade. But I think that because it's like a lip jelly, it might just be more of like a sheer wash of color. I'm just not sure. This vegan, cruelty-free, and derm-tested gloss is made with plant-based ingredients like apricot oil and raspberry seed oil to nourish dry lips and give them a glossy finish without feeling sticky. She loves it because this gloss lives in her purse for easy touch-ups over whatever lip she's wearing. So it goes well with whatever she's wearing. I think that it is pretty. Maybe not necessarily the color that I would pick, but I'm willing to try it. And like I said, I think that because it's a gloss, it might just be like a sheer wash of color versus this opaque pink. We will see. But I'm excited to have it in my collection. Tower 28 is also another brand that I do not have in my collection, so that's exciting. And I kind of love the packaging. Do you guys see this like sun and water waves on it? I kind of dig this packaging. Very just simple. Next we have this. This is the Capari CBD Recovery Balm. This is to soothe and recover. And it says nothing. I do not see it on here. Yeah, I'm just not sure. I don't see it on here. I'm going to pull it up right now on my app because I just don't see it in the newspaper here. It says, powered by moisturizing coconut extract and soothing CBD, the balm zeroes in on tension and inflammation to relieve pain for instant relief. That sounds amazing, actually. This is $45 for this little tiny guy here. I mean, I guess it's a full-size little tiny guy, but it's super cute. It's super cute. I do have a couple things from Capari, mostly lip products from Capari, but I'm interested in Capari. I have heard really great things about Capari, so I'm super excited to try it. It says, rub it anywhere on your body from your neck to your toes to relieve aches and pains. I love that. I love that. I have this like de-stress gel that I got in a FabFitFun a long time ago, and I love that stuff because it goes in and it's like icy hot, only without the nasty like smell and without the like burn that you get when you first put icy hot on. I have to imagine that's super similar. I don't know a whole lot about CBD in skincare as far as an ingredient goes, but I've heard also really great things about that, so I'm really interested in trying that. The next thing I have here is this, and it's by Olaplex, and I am really excited. Olaplex is a really great product for your hair, but this is number 0. It says it primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects for all hair types, and it's an intensive bond building hair treatment. Let's see what the dude says, if I'm telling the truth. So this is $28, and it says it's beloved by hair pros, which it is. This at-home treatment rebuilds broken bonds to give strands their strength back. And I really think that this is smart to put in these boxes because Olaplex is amazing. It is a really great hair product. Really does help you repair your hair. Anybody who's putting any kind of color on their hair should be using a bond building something in their routine. And Olaplex is one of the best, honestly. So, if not the best. I use a lot of Redken. My, salons operate from a Redken perspective. They just came out with this acid complex that I really do enjoy. It makes my hair feel so amazing. But I've heard really, really amazing things about Olaplex. I know really, really amazing things come from using Olaplex. So I'm excited to have it in my system now. Look, I found the Capari Recovery Balm right there. That is gross. It looks gross. Not sure I'll be using that. Look at how gross that looks. Gross. Yep. Not sure about that guy, but what else? The last thing I have in here before I continue to go on and on and on about Olaplex, the last thing I have in here is by Complex Culture. Complex Culture is a recent brand showing up in Ipsy quite often lately, and honestly, everything I've received from them, I have absolutely loved. I think that their brushes are by far one of my favorite brushes, and I have spent some money on brushes. So I have some Sigma brushes that I myself have spent money on. I have some LaRousse brushes that have also come in Ipsy that I think are amazing. These Complex Culture brushes are amazing. I have an eyeshadow palette by them, a cheek palette by them. They've got some really great stuff, I have to be honest. And this is a tool, another tool. This is a rose quartz gua sha sculpting stone, and this was one of the choices that I made because I've heard a lot of great things about these gua shas. Am I even saying that right? And I have never used one, so I'm interested in trying it. And it's all wrapped up in this nice like corrugated cardboard so well so it doesn't get broken, which I appreciate. And look at how cute it is. It looks like a heart. That is so cute. So this is it. It is rose quartz. You put on your skincare and you move this around on your skin to help that skincare soak in. I'm going to have to do some more like digging on the tool itself, but it even came with a little pad to hold it, a little like pouch. Let's read what it says about the tool. This says the rose quartz gua sha is $28. Massage your face with this traditional Chinese tool to help minimize puffiness and relieve tension. I need that so bad. I get so tense around my jawline because I hold all of my like stress right in this area. The love of my life bought me a like one of those massage guns that has like 5 different attachments and it looks like a drill almost for my shoulders for Mother's Day. I love it. It is so amazing. So let's add up what we have here so I can tell you what the value of this box was, and then we'll get you out of here. Okay, I think I got everything, and my final value is $379, and again, I paid approximately $55 for this box. So I really do think that I got a great value. The only thing that came in the box that I won't be using is this, and that's only because I already have it, but I do know it's going to go to a great home and she will get a ton of use out of it. The rest of it, I'm actually pretty excited about. I'm really excited about the Olaplex because I've never really tried Olaplex in the past. I've heard really great things. Every stylist that I go to says, I wish that we carried Olaplex because they want me to use Olaplex. I have really healthy hair, but putting all of the color that I put on my hair, I need some kind of like treatment like that that's going to be amazing to my hair. So I'm really excited about the Olaplex. I'm actually pretty excited about the Gua Sha tool. I'm actually pretty excited about the Tower 28 lip jelly. The Kosas mascara I'm excited about because I don't have a Kosas item in my collection. I've been thinking about their concealer. I've heard their concealer is amazing, but I don't wear concealer. This is actually something that I will wear. I do like mascaras, but I have a ton of them. So that's the only like, you know, bitch that I have about that, but it's not really a bitch. 111 Skin, I will use it. It's amazing. Skincare is always great to get because it's damn expensive. And why pay for it if you can get it in a box like this? This bottle is beautiful. I'm excited to use it. It's AHA and BHA. I need to start adding these ingredients into my skincare routine and haven't because I'm scared of them, if I'm honest, but I'm excited about that. And this recovery balm, even though it looks disgusting, I do have like I said, a de-stress, like kind of like an icy hot kind of like lotion that I put on those achy spots on my body. I am a runner / walker. I do work out quite a bit, so this will come in handy. I know that it will, even though it looks disgusting. So with that said, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this. Do you get the Ipsy boxes, bags, whatever? And if you do, which ones do you get? Do you get this? Did you get this one? And what did you get in it? I would be interested to hear. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it so much that you're going to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here. I also hope you'll consider subscribing before you go. Hopefully you liked it, or me, enough that speaks to you. If you do that, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. It will notify you every single time I upload a video, and I would hate for myself to not show up in your feed if you're subscribing, so don't forget to do that. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. That's it, cookies. I hope that 2021 is treating you all kindly. I hope that you and yours are well, and I hope that you all are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.